What we're going to do here is have a look at the Google supplemental results. Now this is just done by typing search : and then your web address. Now the www and non-www will be different in certain cases. In this case, this is prior to us making changes. This has the site as it was yesterday before we made changes. We can see that an extra 60 pages have been indexed now if we search for site : mainloop.com.au. So we'll go back here and let's have a look here. We'll go to the last page of results, and what it says is that we can't get there. It has hidden a lot of pages that are similar. It's talking about similar, but it's not really similar. It's just talking about relevant results. These are just garbage results. This is Google hell. All of the pages here are unrankable according to Google. So we can repeat the search again with the omitted results included. So let's do that. Okay, so now we have 82 results. Let's go to, say, the second page. These are still decent. Now we get to the junk results. The results that Google really doesn't like. PDFs. PDFs provide a terrible user experience. See, I've just clicked on there. Why would Google return this? There's generally, it's not a website, it's a PDF. So it's all valuable information in here. These are people searching for, say, petroleum, hydrocarbon plus additives. They can find this. It's valuable stuff. We want these hits. We want our site to be an encyclopedia. High velocity injection. People searching for that. If I want to just search for that now, high velocity injection. Yeah. That's something that people will search for, and it sounds like something that costs money. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. So let's go back. Okay, so previously Google had only about, it was only really indexing about 16 pages of the site, and that makes sense because the site really is 16 pages and then about 300 PDFs. So we go through here, third page, all of these will be the PDFs. So we go more, 6, 7. Okay, all the PDFs. So this actual website, it's full of amazingly valuable information, but Google doesn't like it because it never wants to send somebody to this page. It is a fairly useless page. Okay, now what we did was we have created a script that has converted all of them PDFs to HTML. So now if we search site : mainloop.com.au, we come up with this results. The second page, it's actually showing these PDFs as HTML, and we've still got to clean it up a little, but there's beautiful information in here. If I search for this, it's not going to come up, but if then maybe they copy and pasted it, who knows. But if I search for something else that could be a little bit more unique here. Okay, well even this, just as an example, if I search for this, we've got this result in here now. But people could be searching for anything. People searching for an oil with a melting point above 300 C. Let's throw in a few more keywords in here. well, let's just put main loop. Here. Okay, now we've got this. It's an actual, it's a page worthy of Google sending people to. So what has happened here is now we have just, it's actually what Google is thinking now is that these pages are actually more important than a lot of the old main pages of the site. Because this, when you search for site your domain, it's a great insight into Google's thinking. It's showing you here, okay, this is the home page, it's the most important. This is actually a junk page, but yeah, the MSDS, this one has a lot of links on it. Industrial, contact, store, racing. It's really showing you that these are the best pages. This is Google's hierarchy. It's order of your actual pages on the site. So okay, we go to number 3. Let's go a bit along here. We've now got hundreds of great pages in this website. Just from one simple strategy. Now, I clicked on result 8 and suddenly it said to me, okay, we've got 80 results here. Let's get rid of these. Previously, we only had 30. We only had 30 pages before, so we've added 50 really nice indexable pages just with a kind of simple change. So let's repeat the search with the admitted results included. So we get to the end of our actual useful pages, which is up to here, up to maybe result 9. Okay, now we're into the PDFs, the pages that Google thinks are worthless. 9. That's where it ends. After this, Google will never really show these results in their index. People searching for primer paint, freezer grease, people search for all this kind of stuff. And previously, there was just really 20 pages that could get Google hits. So we'll keep monitoring this, and over the next, say, few weeks, a lot of these pages should start ranking quite well.